Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to share with you the alternatives to the Bloomberg terminal. What are the things that you have to kind of be aware of? So the first one is Coefin. So amazing free dashboard that looks and feels a lot like FactSet, including macro, security, snapshot, financial analysis, estimates. Freepan gives you pro-grade analytical tools, trusted by more than 500,000 investors. So that's also like really good. And also, it got like limited live coverage, so that's something to be aware of. And also free tier limits some advanced features and non-Bloomberg chat equivalent. Then another one, Ticker or like Ticker, save time and speed up your investment analysis. Also up to 15 years to free annual data from income statements. You get like more than 10,000 investors, and also the free Ticker accounts have limited historical data, learning curve for new users, and it provides data, not recommendations. So we have to actually figure it out for yourself. Now you can use ChatGPT for that, of course. Now OpenBB, so it's an open source free financial data and analytics platform. So it's like modern modular API first Bloomberg terminal without the costly subscription. Desktop application with built-in scripting tools allows you to import your own data so you can do the forecasting, can connect to multiple data sources, but recommended for people who want the full power to manipulate data in a programmatic way, requires technical knowledge and steep learning curve. So we need to have kind of like understand the Python stuff. But again, this one is interesting. Now the Finviz is another one. You have financial news here, market heat maps, competitive charts, sector performance tools. It's very popular stock screener out there with very generous free version, visual heat maps for quick market overview, technical and fundamental screening, great for generating trades ideas quickly, free plan, and has adds unlimited advanced functionality. US stocks primarily. And then also you have the Yahoo Finance. That's also another one that you can like check out for yourself. And for the Yahoo Finance is revenue and EPS estimates, live pricing, completely free. Finviz trading view, Yahoo Finance, easy to use for the beginners, portfolio tracking included, and mobile apps available. So these ones are interesting. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.